Hi, gold traders. If you have not seen our last video upload, please do so first and then return to this follow-up video. As stated in the previous upload, we were going to observe price action in relation to certain key levels, and thus far, price has remained above our noted 2852 level. We have the H1 chart up on the screen here, but first, let's remind you that in previous videos, we have stated that despite the occasional short-term bearish sentiment, any extended periods of consolidation and deeper pullbacks, price was still aggressively bullish in the background. Now, let's take a look at price action from the 10th of February just to serve as an example of what we wish to highlight. As you can see here, this parabolic move higher was followed by a significant retracement in comparison to previous shallower pullbacks. Once price tracked back to the top of the previous swing high here, we had a similar significant retracement. From here on, however, you will notice that price was taken back up in swifter fashion from periods of short consolidation and relatively shallower pullbacks to print successive all-time highs. Gold has seen unprecedented market dislocations in 2024, and the structural bullish sentiment remains that will continue to take gold to that much touted 3,000 level sometime this year. Apart from the usual reasons many analysts will cite for that bullish sentiment, including the volatile macroeconomic climate, Trump's tariffs, and global conflict, there is another important psychological factor at play here. In 2024, there were many traders who missed out on several buying opportunities, and they will now be extremely wary of suffering the same regret and mental anguish, and hence are now beginning to take advantage of corrections sooner this time around. Unlike the gold market, U.S. equities markets have been flat this year, which is not surprising given the rallies over the last 2 years. Those markets are now completely focused on inflation, so tomorrow will be a very interesting day as we have flash manufacturing, PMI, and services PMI numbers coming out of Japan, France, Germany, the whole of the EU, the UK, and the US, along with retail sales numbers coming out of the UK and Canada. Those numbers will be analyzed to figure out how inflation is behaving across the world, and any significant reaction by US markets will impact gold. We will upload a detailed video in due course with key levels and price action patterns that we expect to see in relation to that 3,000 level and above, and the necessary brutal correction that is due at some point. In the meantime, keep risk management extra tight for tomorrow and trade safe to trade profitably. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment. Take care.